Imagine for a moment standing in a vast, silent desert. The air is still, the landscape stretches endlessly, and the only sound you anticipate is the whisper of wind across ancient sands. Now imagine that desert existing on another planet entirely, millions of miles away. A world we've long considered cold, quiet, and perhaps even a little bit lifeless. This was the prevailing expectation when NASA's InSight lander touched down on Mars in 2018. Its mission was clear: to peer beneath the dusty surface, to listen to the planet's internal rumblings, and to unravel the geological secrets held within its core. What we anticipated was the occasional seismic tremor, a data point that would help us understand the red planet's deep history. What InSight actually found was far more unexpected, far more profound. It detected a hum. Not a fleeting sound or a momentary vibration, but a persistent low thrum emanating from the very heart of Mars itself. An endless rhythmic pulse punctuated by the very quakes InSight was sent to discover. The red planet, it turns out, has a voice, a deep, resonant hum that no one can quite explain. From the moment InSight settled into its new Martian home, it began its diligent work. Equipped with a suite of advanced instruments, including a high-precision seismometer, the lander was designed to be Mars's ears and heart monitor. Its primary goal was to measure the planet's vital signs, to understand its interior structure from its crust to its core. And in this endeavor, InSight has been incredibly successful. The data it has beamed back to Earth has already painted an astonishingly detailed picture of Mars's deep geology and even its ancient magnetic field. We've learned more about the inner workings of Mars in the last few years than in all the decades prior. Since its landing, InSight has faithfully recorded over 450 distinct cases of seismic activity, which scientists have affectionately dubbed marsquakes. These aren't just minor tremors. Some are significant enough to offer invaluable insights into the planet's internal layers. But here lies another layer of the Martian mystery. Unlike Earth, Mars possesses no active tectonic plates. On our homeworld, earthquakes are primarily caused by the shifting and grinding of these colossal plates. Without them, the precise mechanism behind these Martian tremors remains a profound puzzle, leaving researchers to consider other possibilities, perhaps related to volcanic activity or the contraction and expansion of the planet as it cools. But as fascinating as these marsquakes are, they were not the most enigmatic finding. That distinction belongs, without question, to the mysterious Martian hum. The seismic signal registered by InSight is a low, persistent buzz, precisely measured at 2.4 Hz. For context, this is a frequency so low it's almost inaudible to the human ear, more likely to be felt as a deep vibration than consciously heard. It's a rhythmic throb that seems to be a constant companion to the Martian landscape. And here's where the mystery deepens even further. This deep thrum appears to grow discernibly louder whenever the planet quakes. It's as if the hum is not just a background static, but an active, integral part of Mars's internal dynamics, rising in intensity as the planet stretches and shifts. The question, of course, that reverberates through the scientific community is why? What force, what process could be generating such a consistent planet-wide hum? Researchers have carefully considered environmental factors, most notably the strong Martian winds. But after extensive analysis, they have definitively ruled out wind as the source. This leaves us with an even more profound enigma. What if Mars, this planet we once thought of as a silent, barren world, is actually singing? What if this hum is the very heartbeat of a planet, a subtle yet powerful declaration of its ongoing geological life? This possibility challenges our very perception of planetary activity, suggesting a kind of intrinsic, resonant energy that we are only just beginning to comprehend. It's a powerful reminder that even in our most meticulous scientific explorations, the universe holds boundless surprises. We send our instruments to listen for specific things, guided by our earthbound understanding, and then the cosmos, in its infinite wisdom, reveals something entirely new, something that broadens our sense of wonder and pushes the boundaries of our knowledge. This Martian hum is more than just a scientific anomaly. It's a cosmic whisper, inviting us to listen more closely, to think more broadly, and to remain eternally curious about the profound hidden melodies of the universe. The red planet, it seems, is far from silent. It's vibrating with a secret rhythm, a deep, unexplained thrum that calls to us across the vastness of space. What does this hum truly mean? Perhaps we don't have all the answers yet, but the very act of listening, of seeking to understand, brings us closer to the heart of the cosmos. What are your thoughts on Mars's mysterious hum? Does it change your perception of the red planet? Share your insights and ponderings in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this journey into the unknown, be sure to subscribe for more explorations of our universe's most captivating mysteries.